Hi, my name is Elad Levi, and I'm the owner of Palms Garage Doors.
Hi, my name is Yohai Rubin, and I'm the owner of Palms Garage Doors.
It all starts with the diagnostic process that we developed. When a customer calls us, we arrive at their property and perform a 25-point inspection on all the door and opener components. We check everything carefully, as a garage door is a very heavy object and might put people in risk if not taken care properly. After fixing the door, we conduct another inspection to ensure that everything is done correctly. We are always looking to perfect everything we do. We are always evolving. One of the things that differentiate us from our competitors is that we carry only the best parts in the industry. Also, our technicians go through an extensive training, and our trucks are fully equipped in order to perform any kind of repair on the spot. Customer satisfaction is the number one key factor for us, and we always strive for it.
Firstly, the most rewarding thing I feel is to help people that stuck without a car, or the garage door is exposed, wide open, and basically to help them to fix the system. Also, I really enjoy the fact that I'm traveling around the Bay Area and get to interact with new people every single day.
When you guys need your garage doors to be serviced or replaced,
We're here to provide you the best products and service.
call us today.
Palms Garage Doors.